Hey guys, today we'll be making slime with some blue tack and some soap. So this is what it'll turn out like. So this is the blue tack that I use. I think it works pretty good. And some soap. I think this works very good as well. So to make this, you won't, like my other videos, be needing something to mix in and mix with. It'll be more handling it. So let's get started. So I have my blue tack. You can see it's all breaking apart and not slime material at all. But superhero of the day, soap. So you like squirt it on. I like to do this with my hand. So like I squirt it onto the slime like this, and then I kind of rub it around. Yes, it does make your hands very messy, but it's worth it in the end. So you can use food colouring. It's optional, but yes, I won't be using food colouring because in the past when I used food colouring, it gets off in your hands and makes them. When I use regular food colouring, it makes them all red. So when you put on your soap, you kind of have to start breaking it apart until it gets kind of like softer and softer. So if that's not working after a very long time, you can do this. So I'm at the tap now. So if you put it onto hot water, wait until it gets kind of warm, and then you kind of have to, if you put it too hot, it will hurt your hands. So I normally have it kind of medium, lukewarm. So it's getting kind of hot now, so you can go like this. You kind of like do it under the water. So it's kind of getting softer now. So if you keep on doing it and try to knead out the water, it will be slime, just like this. So this is how soft it is, and it's just like that. So make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.